Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that first question CD by GH equal to AC by FG. Second question triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Third question triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. First, I have drawn a figure based on the information given in the question. A triangle ABC and a triangle FEG. CD is the bisector of angle C. Bisector means it divides the angle into two equal parts. So this angle BCD and this angle DCA both are the half of this angle BCA. Similarly, here GH is the bisector of this angle EGF. So, this angle EGH and angle HGF both are the half of this angle EGF. So, here we need to prove three questions. Here it is given triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. If two triangles are similar, it satisfies the equality of corresponding parts. So I have simply drawn two triangles and named triangle ABC and triangle FEG. Just to write the corresponding parts. Angle BAC equal to angle EFG. Angle ABC equal to angle FEG. Angle BCA equal to angle EGF. AB by FE equal to BC by EG equal to AC by FG. Since these two triangles are similar, these all conditions are true. Here we need to prove these two triangles are similar. Triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Third question, triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. So first let us take this triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE. So I have drawn two triangles and named DCB and HGE. Corresponding parts, angle CDB equal to angle GHE. Next, angle DCB equal to angle HGE. Next, angle CBD equal to angle GEH. Then corresponding sides CD by HG equal to CB by GE equal to BD by HE. These are the corresponding parts. We need to find out the equal parts. You see here you can see this angle ABC equal to angle FEG. Angle ABC is same as angle CBD. You can see angle ABC. It is same as angle CBD. Both are angle B. Angle FEG is same as angle GH. FEG. It is same as angle GEH. Both are angle E. So here this angle ABC equal to angle FEG. It is same as this condition angle CBD equal to angle GEH. So this condition is true. We can use it. In triangle DCB and triangle HGE, angle CBD equal to angle GEH. This we have written, it is true from this idea, triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG. So we can write that as the reason. Now you see this BCA and EGF and this angle DCB and HGE. We know this DCB is the half of BCA. I have told it in the beginning. Similarly, this HGE is the half of this EGF. BCA and EGF are equal. So their half portions are also equal. We have angle BCA equal to angle EGF. Therefore, half angle BCA equal to half angle EGF. Half of BCA is DCB. Half of EGF is HGE. So we can write angle DCB equal to angle HGE. It is HGE. That is angle DCB equal to angle HGE. So here we got one angle, here also one more angle we got. So we can conclude triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE by AA similarity criterion. Next triangles are triangle DCA and triangle HGF. I have drawn two triangles and named triangle DCA and HGF. The corresponding parts are CDA equal to GHF, angle DCA equal to angle HGF, angle CAD equal to angle GFH, DC by GH equal to CA by GF equal to AD by HF. So these are the conditions. Okay, now we can use all the conditions here because these are already true. We have here given angle BAC equal to angle EFG. BAC is same as CAD. Both are angle A. Here EFG is same as GFH. So BAC equal to EFG is same as CAD equal to GFH. Both are angle A and angle F. So we can take that condition. In triangle DCA and triangle HGF, angle CAD equal to angle GFH. The reason is triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Then again we are going to take the half of this angle BCA and angle EGF. Half of angle BCA we can take it as DCA. Previous case we have taken this lower portion. This time we are going to take the upper portion. Half of angle BCA equal to angle DCA. Half of angle EGF equal to angle HGF. Since BCA equal to EGF, the half portions are also equal. So we can write we have angle BCA equal to angle EGF. Therefore, half angle BCA equal to half angle EGF. That is angle DCA equal to angle HGF. So here we have got one angle. Here also one more angle we got. So we can conclude triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF by AA similarity criterion. So we have proved these two pairs of triangles are similar. There is one more question is remaining. First question, CD by GH equal to AC by FG. Let us check that condition is anywhere in the corresponding sides. You can see here it is CD by GH equal to AC by FG. So this is true because we have already proved these two triangles are similar. So we can conclude we have CD by GH equal to AC by FG, corresponding parts of similar triangles. In figure, E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC. If AD perpendicular to BC and EF perpendicular to AC, prove that triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. Here is given the figure also. So here we need to prove triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. So I have drawn two triangles with the name ABD and ECF, and I have written the corresponding parts. Angle BAD equal to angle CEF, angle ABD equal to angle ECF, angle BDA equal to angle CFE, AB by EC equal to BD by CF equal to AD by EF. So among these corresponding parts, you can see here this angle D and angle F 90 degree. So we can take this condition, angle BDA equal to angle CFE, each 90 degree. So the answer in triangle ABD and triangle ECF, angle BDA equal to angle CFE, each 90 degree. Now you see the question, here it is given AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC means you can see this angle B equal to angle C. The angles opposite to equal sides. So angle B equal to angle C. This condition, second one. So we can write angle ABD equal to angle ECF. The reason is AB equal to AC. So here we have got two angles. So we can conclude triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF by AA similarity criterion. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment.